Plymouth County Court found Ronnie Hobby guilty of a number of counts of harassment against his brother Christopher.
Saved messages. New messages.
Good evening, you cocksucking bum bandit. You've got such a stupid, pathetic little life. You think you're some fucking big, personality who's had their fucking life for it. No one gives a fuck about you, mate. Put this, edit your little videos, put them all together. That's all you do in your boring little flat, playing your fucking computer, giving people free DVDs of your shitty, stupid digital music. You and your fucking boyfriend Bob. When I see you, mate, and you tell the fucking old Bill, I'm going to strangle your fucking Parrot so you're tied up in front of me. Alright, bye-bye, you shit-ass backdated chump. Go get a life, you boring gay cocksucker.
To replay the message, press 1. To save...
Ronnie also left voicemail messages threatening to tie up the couple and to strangle their pet parrots. In court today, Ronnie said that had just been a sick joke, and he said...
I could hold out my arms, say I love you this much. I could tell you how long I will long for your touch. How much and how far would I go to prove the depth and the breadth of my love for you? From here to the moon and back, who else in this world will love you like that? Love everlasting, I promise you that. From here to the moon and back, from here to the moon and back. I want you to know you can always depend on promises made and love without end. No need to wonder how faithful I'll be now and on into eternity. From here to the moon and back, who else in this world will love you like that? Forever and always I'll be where you're at. From here to the moon and back. From here to the moon and back. I would blow you a kiss from the star where I sat. I would call out your name to echo through the vast.
Thank heaven for you, and to God tip my hat.
From here to the moon and back. And I'll spend forever disproving that fact. From here to the moon and back. From here to the moon and back. I could hold out my arms, say I love you this much. I could tell you how long I will long for your touch. How much and how far would I go to prove the depth and the breadth of my love for you? From here to the moon and back.
Mr. Kenneth James Baker and his wife and daughter are another of Ronnie Hobby's victims. The following are transcripts from the court witness testimony Mr. Baker personally gave at the 2010 four-day trial of Ronnie Hobby, where he was...
In Ronnie's kitchen underneath the kitchen unit, there was a safe containing a taser, loads of packets of Viagra, many small packets of white powder, a lump of cocaine, a police warrant badge and money. He kept many replica airsoft weapons and police uniforms in his bedroom. He boasted one day to me about stopping a young girl and accusing her of committing a crime. He then told me he said to her, he will not take it any further if the girl agreed to go out on a date with him. His car, a silver Mercedes MLG, was fitted with concealed blue lights under the grille and the siren and a black rat sticker. Ronnie asked me if I would drive him and wait for him while he sets a fire to a bed shop next to Blackwell Park, where he used to work. He asked me one day to go out while the man from the benefits agency interviewed him so he can get his mortgage paid by the benefits agency. I did not understand how he can claim benefits as he was working as an extra most of the days. One evening I asked him if I can borrow some aftershave, and he told me to get it from the bedroom. When I went in the bedroom, I noticed on top of a chest of drawers many illegal DVDs which he was duplicating for sale. He even had a printer which printed copies of the title sleeves and could also print photos on the CDs. When I looked, I could not believe my eyes. He had DVDs of Human with Animal 6, snuff DVDs, 6 DVDs of children, and pregnant women.
I was present when he rang his brother and left a message in which he threatened to strangle his parrots. The message was very abusive and violent. The same night he asked me if I knew someone who would go to Bournemouth and kill Christopher and his partner and the parrots. I replied that I don't know anybody and I didn't want to be involved in this issue. Then he laughed and said, wouldn't it be funny if I dressed up as a policeman and go there to Bournemouth to beat Christopher and his partner? What I have seen in his house rang alarm bells. I sent my family abroad and moved out of Ronnie's house. The building company's website that my partner worked on was registered at Ronnie's address when we lived there. When the renewal date came, the hosting company sent by mistake login details and renewal confirmation to his address, and he used this to log into the website and destroy my partner's work. He filled the pages with abusive and sexual words. Apart from this, we have had emails, abusive phone calls, and he listed me on many escort and dating sites. He opened our correspondence and used our identity, and even tried to get our mortgage cancelled. I believe that the facts stated in this witness statement are true. Signed Kenneth Baker, 2nd April 2010.